Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive email notifications about product news on Twitter using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure you're always in the know about the latest updates and features from Twitter. Steps. To get started, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the Twitter interface. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking your profile image. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Email Notifications to access your email notification preferences. In the Updates from Twitter section, make sure to check the box next to News about Twitter product and feature updates to start receiving these notifications via email. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button to apply the new email notification settings. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can now ensure that you're always informed about product news on Twitter straight to your email inbox. Stay updated and never miss out on important announcements by enabling these email notifications today. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in setting up your email preferences for Twitter.